friends, today we're going to make a mail bag. You need a paper bag from the grocery store, your scissors or an adult scissors, a stapler or some tape. So what you're going to do if you're cutting is first get your scissors, small hole to the ceiling, big hole at the bottom. Put your thumb in, fingers at the bottom. You're going to take a big piece off the top and you're just going to cut all the way through. Remember, open, close, open, close, open, close. And this is going to be your strap part. And you're going to open your bag. What a cool sound. And you're going to cut the strap across. Put it inside one corner of the side. And this is where you're going to tape or staple it. And do to the other side. And then you can put it on like this, or you can put it over your head and carry it like this. You can decorate it any way you want. You can deliver the mail to your family. You can put all kinds of cards in here if it's okay with your adult that's with you. Have lots of fun. Bye, friends.